Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to quickly show you how to set up your Forex account, your trading account, and it's pretty quick and simple. You're going to go to forex.com and you're going to click open an account right there or somewhere here. Now once you have clicked, as you can see, you will need to now fill out your account information, apply within 5 minutes. So you're going to enter your country or region of residence, email address, username, password, and this all of this information. So let me fill it out. Now, once you have filled out all of your information like a name, a phone number, and so on and so forth, you're going to need to enter your home address now. Now, you're going to enter your trading experience. So this is basically for them to determine whether they are able basically to open an account for you. So you want to go ahead and answer all of these questions like employment status, for example, industry of it. After that, how often have you traded the following products in the 12 months? And basically, if you have any experience in trading, because Forex is for more experienced ones. So you want to go ahead and enter all of these questions and answer them. And also make sure to write down planned initial deposit. So as you can see, the minimum deposit is 100. So you will need to go ahead and in order basically to finish setting up your account, you will need to deposit 100. Now you will need to go ahead and assess your knowledge. So basically, you're going to enter some answers to these questions and also some contact preferences and agreements. You want to go ahead and answer them. So for example, if your leverage is that 1 to 100, what would be the required margin to open the position on one lot? And you need to go ahead and answer that question and go ahead and answer all of these. Now they will process your application, which can take up to 30 seconds. And now you will need to go ahead and do account verification, which means you will need to upload your national ID, passport, or some residence permit, proof of identity, and proof of address, which would be like a bank statement, credit card statement, utility bill, as these ones. So make sure to do this. And after you will be done, your Forex account will basically take some time, like up to 72 hours to be approved or not. And once you will be approved, you can go ahead and deposit that 100 from your card or bank. And that's basically it, how you set up your Forex account. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.